Hello! Lip gloss, a blue cosmetics box, a pretty doll handbag with a lid, and blue mittens. Ready? Twist the free form into a cone and glue. Line the shape of the cone and carefully cut the circle from foameran. Glue a narrow strip side, cut the lid for the horn, add a small panel, and decorate the cover with pink rhinestones. From above, a fluffy bauble. We put a strip of foameran on the ring. 3 long gold chains are attached to another strip. Bend and fix the tips. Add a pearl handle loop. Fix on a handbag on both sides. We make a loop for the panel. Just look at this glamorous handbag. Insulate the hands. Coat a Barbie's hand, smooth and cover with a thick layer of hot glue. Then the glue cools and hardens. Carefully cut off the extra and make a cross cut to remove the mitten. Gently remove the workpiece and turn it into blue mittens. When the first layer gets dry, apply brilliant polish. Add a snow white synthetic edge and decorate with winter flowers. Look at the blue ice mittens! Fabulous! Take the tubes of necessary sizes. The thin one is cut longer, the thick one into a wide ring. We close one side of the long tube. We stick a small cotton ball on the needle tip and flatten it well. Cut off the excess part, fill it in the ring with glue, and insert a tiny sponge into the lid. Fill tube with lip gloss and close it carefully. Color the lid of the tube. Then fasten the mini rings and clamp them well with tweezers. Connect the blue pompon to a chain and hang it on a big ring. Put a wonderful lip gloss there as well. Looks great! Barbie can't wait to try a new lip gloss. We make a brush with a fluffy wire. We insert the brush into a tube and remove extras. Glue around the edges and decorate with silver black gamma. Tiny brush is carefully covered with real black ink. Ready! Now you do Barbie's lashes. A narrow tube is filled with lipstick. Cover with glue and close the lid painted in silver color. Turn a pink fluffy wire into a brush. Cut out foameran preforms and assemble a box for cosmetics. We put a mirror on the lid. Blue foameran is used for boxes decoration. Gently glue all the sides. Then make the cover. Carefully pressed for firmness. Decorate along the edges with a ball chain and an elegant gold flower. Fill the box with real blush. Add lipstick, black mascara, and a pink brush. A tiny, realistic cosmetics box is perfect. It's time to create makeup. Gentle pink like frosty blush can freshen pale doll cheeks. And black mascara will make Barbie's eyes even more beautiful and expressive.